Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to easily copy and paste on a Chromebook. Whether you're a new Chromebook user or just looking to improve your efficiency, this simple guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Using the trackpad or mouse. To begin, ensure your cursor is placed where you want to start copying from. If you're using a mouse, just click to highlight the text or item you want to copy. On the trackpad, click and hold to highlight. Step 2. Copying the text or item. Once the text or item is highlighted, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This copies the content to your clipboard, so you can easily paste it elsewhere. Step 3. Moving to the destination now. Navigate to where you'd like to paste the copied content. It could be another document, a different tab, or even an email. Step 4. Pasting the content. Once your cursor is in the desired location, press Ctrl+V to paste the content. Your copied item will appear exactly where your cursor is. Bonus tip: copying and pasting files. If you're working with files, simply right-click on the file you want to copy, select Copy, navigate to the folder where you'd like to paste it, right-click again, and select Paste. Now you know how to quickly copy and paste on a Chromebook, helping you work more efficiently. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.